What happens to your body when you do CrossFit every day? It is likely that you are familiar with CrossFit, which dates back to the year 2000. Although you may view the regimen as a set of highly rigorous exercises, it is actually an established trademark established by Greg Glassman. CrossFit has developed a strong following since its inception, with around 4 million enthusiasts attending 13,000 licensed gyms worldwide, with 7,000 of them situated in the United States. If you have any knowledge of CrossFit, you likely understand that it is a rigorous fitness program. NBC News describes it as a type of high-intensity interval training, HIIT, that focuses on performing functional movements, exercises at an intense level. The workout is based on the premise that the exercises mimic everyday movements such as squatting, reaching, pulling, and pushing, as per the news outlet. A CrossFit class generally includes a range of exercises, including squats, pull-ups, burpees, and weightlifting. CrossFit every day. Fitness is becoming increasingly popular worldwide with each passing year, and in recent times, CrossFit has emerged as a popular trend. CrossFit is a demanding form of circuit training that aims to promote overall body development and weight loss. In this video, I will explain what CrossFit is, the advantages it offers for your body, and delve into the fundamental principles of CrossFit workouts. I encourage you to watch the entire video, as it promises to be informative and engaging. So let's get started. What is CrossFit? Around 2 decades ago, CrossFit emerged in the United States and rapidly grew in popularity. The CrossFit training program comprises a range of high-intensity exercises that draw from various disciplines, including weightlifting, kettlebell lifting, gymnastics, aerobics, and strongman training, among others. CrossFit follows a similar structure to regular circuit training, with the exercises repeated continually and a specific number of rounds required for successful completion. These workouts typically last anywhere from 15 to 60 minutes, and not everyone is capable of enduring them. The primary goal of CrossFit is to strengthen the human body comprehensively. Is CrossFit right for you? If your primary objective is to achieve comprehensive body development, then CrossFit is a perfect choice for you. Moreover, CrossFit can be beneficial if you want to build your physique and compete with others, love sports, and seek to work out every day. Many retired professional athletes have transitioned to CrossFit and are exploring this discipline. CrossFit can also be a suitable option for you if you have no prior athletic experience but are eager to start. Even a novice in CrossFit can quickly progress to the status of an amateur athlete. However, it is advisable to seek guidance from a certified trainer or instructor before starting the training. Furthermore, CrossFit is ideal if you are a determined individual who desires to acquire new skills. It is an excellent opportunity to elevate your physical and mental aptitudes. CrossFit is universal and caters to both men and women, whether they are professional athletes, beginners, or amateurs. The intensity and working weights in the training may differ based on the athlete's preparation level. Additionally, if an athlete is unable to perform a particular exercise, alternative exercises can be substituted. Pros of CrossFit. Let's evaluate the advantages and disadvantages of CrossFit. Starting with the benefits, CrossFit is excellent for enhancing the cardiovascular system, improving endurance, and comprehensively exercising all muscle groups during training. Additionally, it contributes to better metabolic processes, improved sleep quality, and an overall sense of freshness and energy. CrossFit also increases body flexibility and reduces the risk of injuries. With a healthy lifestyle and proper nutrition, CrossFit can be a fast and efficient way to lose weight and develop numerous athletic strengths. After regular CrossFit training, an individual can expect to perform activities like running, jumping, weightlifting, and more with ease. Cons of CrossFit. Now, let's discuss the disadvantages of CrossFit. Since CrossFit is a multifaceted activity, solely practicing it is unlikely to make an individual the best in a specific discipline such as running, jumping, or weightlifting. Additionally, CrossFit can be somewhat hazardous, and the high-intensity level of training can be more significant than that of other sports. As such, it is crucial to follow proper exercise technique to avoid injury. The cardiovascular system also endures a considerable load during CrossFit workouts, so it's important not to overdo it. Main CrossFit rules. It is not recommended to engage in CrossFit while either fully satiated or completely empty-stomached. Prior to commencing exercise, it is advisable to consume a meal consisting of protein and carbohydrates. When taking a break between exercises, it is recommended to allow for a 2 to 3 minute interval. In general, when performing CrossFit, one should consume a diet that is rich in vegetables, greens, nuts, and lean meats while excluding sugar-containing products. This type of diet provides the necessary energy required for the workout. It is advisable not to engage in CrossFit on a daily basis, as 3 workouts per week should suffice for beginners. It is only professionals who can handle intense loads. Regardless of one's level of expertise, experts advise taking breaks during training to allow for full recovery and to prevent overstressing the body. If you enjoyed watching this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell, so you don't miss any new tips. Let us know your thoughts about this video in the comments section down below, and feel free to stay safe and enjoy. Also make sure to check out our next highlighted video, and we will see you next time. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.